Hello, in this video we're embarking on a journey together. But this isn't just any journey. Today we're heading to Mars, to the dusty and mysterious surface of the Red Planet. NASA's Perseverance rover has made some of the most exciting discoveries in recent years in the Jezero Crater. What did it find? What do these findings tell us? Let's dive into the details and unravel this mystery step by step. But first, if you enjoy stories like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. If you're ready, let's get started. Imagine this: Mars, the fourth planet in our solar system, named after the Roman god of war. That reddish hue comes from iron oxide, as if it's whispering a story to us. There are secrets hidden in my past. When Perseverance landed in the Jezero Crater on February 18, 2021, it began searching for the key to unlock that story. So why Jezero? Because scientists call it the golden spot. It was once a crater filled with water, and water could be the key to life. This idea has excited researchers for years. Now, let's see Mars through the eyes of this rover and follow in its tracks. Perseverance has collected more than 27 samples in the Jezero Crater. Among them are intriguing names like Main River. These rocks, taken from the crater's edges, could open a door to understanding Mars billions of years ago. For instance, igneous or volcanic rocks were found at the crater's base. At first, everyone expected sedimentary rocks, ones carried and deposited by water. But Perseverance surprised us. These volcanic rocks suggest that Mars once had magma chambers deep within. Let's pause for a moment and think, could this rewrite the geological history of the planet? These rocks hint that Mars might have once resembled Earth more closely, perhaps with active volcanoes and hot springs. This image feels like a scene from a movie unfolding in our minds, doesn't it? Another fascinating detail is the traces of water. Perseverance discovered a rock called Chiava Falls, marked with strange patterns known as leopard spots. These marks indicate interaction with water billions of years ago. Scientists believe these spots might be evidence of microbial life. There's no definitive answer yet, but this possibility alone sparks our imagination. Could there have been life on Mars once? This question ignites a light in our minds. Moreover, another rock, Isol, also stands out. This rock shows signs of water altering its mineral structure, reminiscent of an ancient lake environment. Perhaps these lakes served as a refuge for microscopic life. Imagine it. The quiet surface of Mars might have once teemed with life beneath it. This feels less like science fiction and more like a real possibility. The rover's technologies make this story even more intriguing. The RIMFAX ground-penetrating radar imaged layers up to 10 meters deep. It revealed sediment layers and rock formations shaped by water. Imagine this. These images are like opening a book on Mars' geological layers. Additionally, the PIXL instrument analyzed the chemical composition of rocks and found large olivine crystals. These crystals formed in slowly cooling magma. There were once vast magma chambers deep within Mars, indicating an active volcanic past. Let's take it a step further. Could these volcanic regions have created hot water springs, providing a suitable environment for life? Perhaps traces of that still linger somewhere. So what will happen to these samples? Perseverance stored these precious rocks in special tubes, and they're planned to be brought to Earth via the Mars Sample Return mission, expected in the 2030s. If these samples contain organic molecules or fossil traces, it would mark a turning point for humanity. Analyzed in laboratories, these rocks will shed light on Mars' habitability and past climate. Perhaps one day, a message from Mars will whisper to us that we're not alone in the universe. Imagine it. When these samples reach us, Mars' story could change entirely. But the story doesn't end there. Perseverance didn't stop at rocks. Its MOXIE device successfully converted carbon dioxide from the Martian atmosphere into oxygen. Yes, you heard that right, oxygen was produced on Mars. This is a beacon of hope for future human missions. Astronauts could use this technology to generate breathable oxygen. Additionally, the Ingenuity helicopter made history with the first flight on Mars. This little helicopter became Perseverance's eyes and ears, sending incredible images from above the crater. Imagine looking down at Mars from the sky. This opens a new chapter in humanity's space adventure. Now, let's pause and reflect. How will Perseverance's findings help us rediscover Mars? This rover isn't just a scientific tool. It's like a time machine. It shows us Mars' past and could shape our future. Do you think this rover will uncover traces of life? Perhaps there's still an unsolved secret buried deep within Mars. Share your thoughts in the comments because this story belongs to all of us. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we'll uncover another Mars mystery. Perhaps one day, we'll see this planet with our own eyes. Until then, let's keep gazing at the stars with our imagination.